Hey you guys, this is Renee Prince, and I'm the director of the Four Elements School of Traditional Medicine. I'm a clinical practicing herbalist, but I'm also a traditional healer. And this is completely unplanned, but I couldn't help myself. Today I want to talk about why it's important to understand bioregionalism, and I'll be as short as possible. I was taking a walk out to do a ceremonial bathing at a river, and everywhere I look is medicine, and it's medicine that's important to us, that's very helpful during the season. And I just wanted to show you a few of these plants to get you thinking about how important it is to learn about our plant allies. So the first one I'm going to show you is something called Sida, S-I-D-A. So I'm going to come so that you can see. This is a version of it right here. It's beautiful. And then I'm going to show you how different it can look right next to that. So look at, this is also it. Isn't that awesome? So it's part of the Malvaceae family, which is the marshmallow family. When we know about that and hear about that type of plant, we can assume some things about it. Just like marshmallows, that consistency is very, very present. Now I'm going to show you other ones. And this plant in particular is known as an antiviral and an antibiotic and a heavy hitter for all kinds of things. But with that extra like marshmallow type feeling, you can see how it would help you move phlegm, help you with a cough, help an infected cut that had an abrasion. Like think about that feeling of cold mucilage. So that's a super important plant for us. We live in a swamp, and so that's important to understand that that's the community that we come from. Here, I'm going to show you another one because it just looks so different. There it is right there. That's Sida, S-I-D-A, and one of our strongest plant allies we should know. Spiritually, it took care of you the same. So it's going to take care of anything that's attacking you. We would use it in ceremonial baths. We would use it in all kinds of medicine soulfully, like as a traditional healer. But it also worked really hard to take care of us. And it's food. It's absolutely positively food. You can eat it every day and it tastes good. So that's like something that I think it's important that you get to know that one, that's Sida. So as we are walking, I just walked by tons and tons and tons of plants. I'll show you another one. We'll just find any other random one to show you because that's how prolific. Oh, this is a great one. Look at this. So see all those little guys right there? I'll show you another one that's over here. You can see the water that's on them. That means they're hydrophobic. These are our chickweed. So I'm going to hold that in front of you so you can see it. It's called Drymeria cordata, tropical chickweed, Caribbean chickweed. One of the best things that we can ever for our lymphatic system. Again, food. So it's something that, why wouldn't we just know that? It's food. It would keep you alive if there was an emergency. Why wouldn't we just understand that that was something in our environment? One of our strongest allies for the immune system, for any of our waterways, makes an amazing pesto. I'm a good cook. So just like spectacular, just should know, just a yes, it can be harvested anywhere. And it's around when Stellaria media, the chickweed that's from up north, isn't here. So it's around in the tropical regions and is used just like chickweed in the tropical regions. And the idea around you're not paying anybody for it. The earth is providing that for you. So I just stopped because I found another one that is just amazing that you have to buy in the store. So this is Go-To Cola. And look, it's everywhere. Look at that. So I'm going to show you, but I'm going to also pick one and know that I give offerings. I don't just grab plants. So I give offerings. I also don't throw them down. I eat them and use them in medicine. And I ask permission ahead of time. So this is Go-To Cola. We have several Go-To Colas in Florida. Erectus is one of them. Go-To Cola, see how it's shaped like a brain, how the stem comes out of the back, but not the middle. Has the split at the bottom, like see that split? And it looks like the spinal cord. So what are we going to say the doctrine of signature for this plant is? That it helps the brain. It also is this really strong connective tissue plant that we have, and it's food. So I'm going to take this away. I want you to see everything that you see there is Go-To Cola. Look at it. Look at how prolific it is and how happy it is. Beautiful food, helpful to your body, helpful to your brain, repairs connective tissue, is great nourishment, and the earth is just providing it for us. I could barely take 2 steps. These plants, they're just amazing. I just can't believe the bounty that's allotted to us. And I'm just trying to get to the water to do ceremonial bathing. And look, I just found another one. See that? That's wild coffee. Spiritually, we would use wild coffee to allow us to accept the medicine that the earth is providing for us. And it would also get rid of things, purge things that were not acceptable. In some cases, it would have been one of the ingredients. I'll see if I can find another one. Oh yeah, look, there's more. One of the ingredients that would be in the black drink, depending on what First Nations you were speaking to. I was taught that that's one of the ingredients by my elders. I think the whole point of this only is just that I felt like I needed to speak out because I can barely walk without the earth providing everything that we would need for a good meal, for all of the respiratory viruses that are coming, for all of the new things that are going on in our area. And I don't want people to think that they're not without resources or that they have no option, that the earth provides, and all we have to do is get to know our family and get to know what's going on. So before I go, I'm going to show you, I was on my way down to this beauty because I'm here to do ceremonial bathing, even though it's cold to us. So again, the earth provides me with everything that I possibly need. I have all the plants to make my ceremonial bath. They're all going to protect me, and they're all here just for me, happy to lend a hand. Thank you so much. I'm Renee Prince, director of Four Elements School of Traditional Medicine, and bioregionalism is amazing. These are our elders. These are our families. We're part of this community. We should get to know them better. Thank you.